Thanks for watching the Flipsies. It's the pink alligator. Chum chum. It's a purple unicorn. It's a purple unicorn. The blue puppy. It's an orange cat. It's an orange cat. It's a rainbow alligator.
Wow!
It's a yellow cat. Pink hippo. Pink hippo. Hesham. Right. Hatch. It's a pink dragon. Purple unicorn. It's a blue penguin. It's the baby sheep on Sperry. It's a red dolphin. A blue penguin.
Wow!
It's a gold dragon. Pink unicorn. All the Flipsies in. It's a blue puppy. It's blue puppy.
And
Purple and a blue hippo started down. It's a blue puppy. Purple unicorn. The biggest one. It's a purple bear. It's a pink bear and a white and a orange. Oh no! Fell. It's a rainbow dolphin. Red seal right here. It's a peanut butter and jelly draft.
and
Dirt alligator right here. Inside the yellow one. Bit scared. Back out. It's a purple hedgehog. Pink cat. It's orange bear. And the bigger one snake is a blue puppy. It's a white seal. It's a white seal.
And
It's a blue dolphin. Shake. No. Let's take is the Watkins and giraffe. It's a new giraffe. It's a new giraffe. Purple hippo pons. It's a rainbow bear. It's a rainbow bear. And Lemon penguin. Get it. And a bumblebee husky. Pink. A orange cat. And a circle bear. Yellow. So brown hedgehog and a green turtle walk too. Bye. See you next time.